Hello YouTube. It's been a while since I've done a video, so I thought I would throw one up of where I'm camping at on my way to West Yellowstone, Montana. I'm still in Idaho at this time. I hope you enjoy. Luckily, these mountains here would have a lot more snow on them this time of year, so it doesn't look like this part of Idaho got much snow this past winter. As I fly up this dirt road, keep an eye out in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, just past this crossroad, and you'll see a moose that came and visited us today. I stayed up pretty high so I didn't scare him off. Unfortunately, he just shows up as a black dot. Actually, I believe it's a she. Anyway, this is where we're camping out for a few days. I hope you enjoyed.